This is having guava for the first time. I have the jelly in this, the guava jelly, so you have to taste it also. The boy you taste the original fruit.
I'm trying to separate the seeds from the thing, but I
You
think I'm
can split out
swallowing
the
some
seeds,
of
you
them.
can split out the seeds. Split out the seeds. You know, beside the seeds.
The seeds are so tiny.
Mm-hmm. And see when the tree doesn't make. Yeah, that's the part they feed, you know.
What?
I the skin you feed.
The skin?
Yes, baby. Just look, baby.
I don't like how the skin smell.
Baby, the skin you feed.
But I don't like how it smell.
Baby. Just get rid of the seeds and just take out the seed and
Oh, I ain't even supposed to eat the seed?
You know if you eat the seed, you can. But you know if you just swallow them. I'm not sure just swallow them.
Oh, and I sat up there and just took a whole mouthful.
That's how you go. The skin you feed. Eat the whole thing, baby. Eat the whole
I
thing.
don't like how the outside smell.
We not just eat the thing, mama. So you have guava in the people. Seem to like it though. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah. I enjoy myself with some of them kusha.
Yeah.
Don't know if it's a 2 bag missing. Then I burn.
Baby, you know, I
Trying to make sure I let it off. It ain't that much on there already.
Come, baby, let's eat that. Alright. Yeah, butterfly.
Yeah, it's scary.
Butterfly, baby.
So anytime
I edit that part.
Butterfly, baby.
I see.
Butterfly.
I see. I just seen something flying in my peripheral. I don't want to get stung. I ain't got on no mosquito repellent.
A butterfly.
I know that. No, I didn't see it at first. I just, from my peripheral scene, you know what I'm saying?
You just eat the skin.
No.
And that's a guava eat, that's why I eat it. People, and that's a guava eat.
People eat how them for to eat.
People, and that's a guava eat. I first eat guava in our entire life, so. How guava taste, mama?
It's good.
Alright.
It tastes like not really like a kiwi, but like it's in that family. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not as sour, but
Yeah, sour one, they one that taste salt, they have sweet ones.
back to the mango.
Sweet up your mouth now, then not wash off with some jelly.